How to download and install Quotex application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install Quotex application on your Android device. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store and simply search in for the Quotex application just like this. And once you search in, just make sure you download the correct one, which the correct Quotex application has over 5 million plus downloads. So make sure you click on this one. As you can see, its logo is just like this. And from over here, what you can do is simply click on install and wait for some time for it to be installed. And once it gets installed, simply click on open and wait for some time. And from over here, you can simply enter your detail login credentials, or you can simply register from over here if you don't have an account. So that is it for today guys. That is exactly how you can easily download and install your Quotex application on your smartphone. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.